Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best modern lamp is probably one of the most transformative additions you can make to your living space. It's not just about illumination, it's about setting a mood, enhancing aesthetics, and creating a comfortable atmosphere. Whether you're looking to brighten up a reading nook, add a touch of elegance to your bedroom, or make a statement in your living room, the right lamp can make all the difference. Number 5. Homedics Silver Springs Tabletop Fountain. This tabletop fountain from Homedics brings a calming atmosphere to any room. It features a 3-tiered waterfall design with natural stones, creating a soothing sound of flowing water. The fountain includes a quiet, built-in submersible pump. Simply fill the basin with water and enjoy. The pump keeps the water clean, and an on-off switch provides easy control. The Asian-inspired design features 3 tiers where water streams down. The deep basin enhances the sound of the cascading water. It also has a unique lighting feature that creates a soft, romantic ambience. Use this fountain to de-stress after a long day or create a peaceful environment for sleep. Place it in a nursery or on your desk to enjoy its calming effects. Your purchase includes the Enviroscape Silver Springs Relaxation Fountain, natural river rocks, a power cord, and an instruction manual. Everything you need to create a tranquil space is included. What we like. This fountain creates a tranquil atmosphere with its gentle water flow and soothing sounds. It's designed with an automatic pump, making it easy to maintain and enjoy. If you're looking to create a relaxing oasis in your home or office, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The 3-tiered structure with sleek silver leaves and a deep black basin offers a modern aesthetic that complements various interior styles. The gentle flow of water produces a calming sound, effectively masking background noise and promoting relaxation. Soft LED lights illuminate the water, adding a warm glow that enhances the ambience, especially in dimly lit rooms. Number 4. Rustic Mason Jar Sconces with LED lights. This mason jar wall sconce adds a warm and chic touch to your decor. It brings holiday cheer to you and your family. At night, you can enjoy the soothing lights and graceful white peonies. Hang this mason jar sconce in your home, hallway, or kitchen. The string lights emit a magical, warm glow. This rustic wall decor will surely capture your attention. This farmhouse-style wall sconce is perfect for various occasions. It's a great gift for your loved ones. It's perfect for living rooms, bathrooms, and even weddings. The mason jar lights have a 6-hour timer and remote control. It will automatically turn on and off every day. There are 8 different lighting modes to suit your mood. This is a perfect decor gift for anyone. Each one is unique and suitable for living rooms, bedrooms, and cafes. It's a thoughtful and beautiful present. What we like. These sconces bring a warm, inviting glow to any space with their charming farmhouse aesthetic and LED lights. The remote control and timer functions add convenience and allow for customizable ambience. If you like the rustic style and want to add a touch of warmth and charm, you should consider this. What people say. The wall art is exactly what I was looking for to complete my living room decor. The colors are vibrant and the canvas is high quality. The clock is absolutely beautiful and fits perfectly in my farmhouse-style kitchen. Number 3. Besuerte Rustic Wooden Wall Hanging Decor with LED Lights. This rustic wall decor adds a touch of charm to any room. Crafted from natural wood, it features unique textures and colors, perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere. Each sconce is handcrafted and measures 11 inches high and 4.3 inches wide. It includes hanging mason jars with artificial flowers, adding a charming farmhouse touch. The LED string lights come with a remote and timer function. You can choose from 8 lighting modes and set a timer for 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours, making it easy to create the perfect ambience. This farmhouse wall decor complements modern or traditional styles. It's ideal for your living room, bedroom, hallway, or entryway, adding a touch of rustic elegance. It's a stylish gift for housewarmings, anniversaries, or Christmas. It's perfect for friends, loved ones, or anyone who appreciates rustic farmhouse wall art and cozy home decor. Each handcrafted sconce has a unique distressed finish. It adds a cozy farmhouse touch to your living room or bedroom, creating a warm and inviting space. What we like. The rustic wooden wall decor with LED string lights adds a cozy farmhouse touch to your home. It includes a convenient timer function and offers multiple lighting modes. If you are looking for a stylish and easy way to enhance your living room or bedroom decor, this is a great choice. What people say. These were even nicer than the pictures. Had such a nice touch to the living room wall and gives off good light. These are easy to assemble and adorable. The brightness of the lights can be adjusted by remote and you barely even notice. I slapped these up on either side of my dresser mirror, and voila, instant farmhouse chic. I'm a big fan of the fact that I can swap out flowers in different colors if I get bored. You get a ton of options for dimming, patterns, and timers, plus a remote control. Number 2. Light Garden Lighted Willow Vine, Vine+Plug. Introducing the Light Garden Lighted Willow Vine. This beautiful vine comes with a plug, making it easy to set up and enjoy. It's perfect for adding a touch of magic to any space. Setting up this lighted willow vine is a breeze. Simply plug it in and watch it come to life. The flexible design allows you to shape it to your liking. The soft, warm glow of this vine creates a magical atmosphere. It's ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, adding a touch of elegance wherever it's placed. This versatile decoration can be used in a variety of ways. Drape it over furniture, wrap it around pillars, or use it to create stunning centerpieces. The possibilities are endless. Experience the quality and beauty of the Light Garden Lighted Willow Vine. It's designed to last, providing you with years of enjoyment. Bring the magic home today. What we like. This lighted willow vine brings a touch of nature and warmth to any space. Its plug-in design makes it easy to set up and enjoy. If you like the natural look and want to add a touch of elegance to your decor, you should consider this. What people say. The wall art is exactly as pictured and looks beautiful in my living room. The colors are vibrant and the canvas is high quality. It was easy to hang and really brightens up the space. Number 1. OTAVILEM LED Bonsai Tree Light. This twinkling tree is perfect for artistic decoration, especially during Christmas. Its realistic tree shape makes it suitable for the living room or bedroom. You can freely adjust the branches to create your perfect decorative tree lights. Setting up this bonsai tree light is simple. Just insert the tree into the base and plug it into a USB outlet, or use 3 AA batteries. The fairy light tree will light up immediately. This lighted tree is ideal for various festivals like Christmas and New Year. It brings a festive atmosphere and a warm environment. With 108 warm LED lights, it adds a touch of family harmony during celebrations. Even on a bedside table, this birch tree with LED lights is beautiful. It provides the right amount of light to illuminate the room without being too bright or dim. You won't need to turn on the overhead lights at night. The light-up tree can be powered in 2 ways. You can use 3 AA batteries, not included, or the included USB cable. It offers flexibility for your convenience. What we like. This tree lamp offers a unique and customizable design with its adjustable branches. It can be powered by either batteries or USB, making it versatile for any space. If you are looking for a festive and charming decoration for your home, it is a great choice. What people say. This lamp is so cute. It uses a USB-A plug-in. It can be on all the time, or look like fireflies. It has a surprising amount of light, and just looks so beautiful at night. This is my favorite decor that's on my desk. It lights up the room and looks so cool. It's a great gift for all ages and looks the same as it did when I bought it over 6 months ago. It creates a beautiful bluish glow and brightens the mood. This gold with warm lights bonsai tree light really sets the tone. We use it when we turn off all of the lights and watch TV or just talk. It gives off relaxing vibes. The quality is great and all you have to do when you pull it out of the box is easily spread out the branches to your liking. It is approximately 10 to 12 inches high, but because it is so easy to adjust you can bend the branches down for a lower look or spread the branches up for a higher look. We use the USB cord that comes with it so we get continuous power without relying on batteries. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.